Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day and that, that you are doing well. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Emily and this is Ella. And I love to make videos about jewelry, fashion, tea, and anything magical. Now, in this video, which you probably can tell from the title, it is a Davidstea haul, and technically two Davidstea hauls, because I have two packages. One was from a sale, and then one was because my favorite thing that Davidstea releases every Christmas came out. And just in case you haven't had an opportunity to meet Ella, this is little Ella, and she is my mini poodle puppy. Yes, I love you. We got her back in, when did we get you? End of July. Anyway, without further ado, make sure you grab a cup of tea and let's get started with the Davidstea haul. We have two big, gigantic boxes to open for you guys. So I think, Ella, what should we open first? I think we should open the small one first. That just seems like the easiest one to open. Do you agree, Ella? Do you think that's the easiest box to open? I think so too. So I'm gonna grab some scissors. Okay, we're making progress, guys. Are we making progress, Ella? Are you getting excited? All right, so I just put Ella down because I think it's a lot going on for her. But basically, this is what it looks like when you first open your Davidstea box from the e-store. So it has the sticker that says Davidstea and some nice tissue. So super cute. And they actually package their stuff so good. So there's a ton of bubble wrap. And that basically will protect your tea containers or any other items you've got with you. Oh my gosh, I think we went a little crazy. Look at all the tea in there, you guys. Oh my goodness. All right, so the first thing I'm pulling out is the samples, and stickers. So Davidstea will send you little stickers that you put on the tins, and I'm sure there's a tin, yeah, and quite a few tins buried on the bottom, which are right here. So Davidstea always sends you little stickers. So spoiler at some of the items I got, but basically your sticker can go right on the tin like that. And then for samples, we got Forever Nuts, which I love this tea. It's a herbal tea. It's so good. We got Sleigh Ride, which always makes you think of Christmas time. And then we have Candy Cane Crush. The first two items, technically, I got our peanut butter cup. It is delicious. It basically tastes like a peanut butter cup without peanuts, though. It's actually made with almonds. So if you have a peanut allergy, this is a great alternative. Basically, it has apple, cocoa peel, cocoa bits, almonds, chocolate chips, cocoa beans, cocoa powder, and a couple other different flavors. I really like making this as a latte. I think it is an incredible latte, so I definitely recommend that. I make mine with almond milk and it tastes so good. So definitely recommend this. I got two of these. I think I got 100 grams, yeah. The next item I stocked up on is David's Breakfast. Now this is kind of like a take on English breakfast, but they call it David's Breakfast instead. And I love having David's Breakfast or English breakfast tea on those mornings where I really need an energy boost, but I don't want to have like coffee or espresso or anything like that. It's just like I just need a little energy boost and not in a matcha mood, like that type of thing. I love to have this. I also love to have this with like a really decadent dessert. I think it tastes really good with that. So this is just a black tea, obviously, English breakfast, and it's so good. So I got 50 grams, so 100 grams of this. Then the next item I got is maple chai. This is really good, and I had a sample of this, I want to say about a month ago, and the sample was really good. So I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna get, I think I got 50 grams of this? 50 grams. This, I just make a tiny bit of it. It does have a very like strong flavor, so I just use a little bit. And I make sure I brew it, you know, a little less than I normally would with some chai teas, and it is just amazing. It has a really nice maple flavor to it. And then you guys, I love pumpkin chai, especially this time of the year, and I'm all out. And I think I already had like, I think maybe 100 grams left over from last year because I stocked up. And I bought, I think, 50 grams not too long ago. And then I went and bought another 100 grams because I'm all out. I literally have been out for a week. And I'm like, oh, I need more pumpkin chai. This is a black tea. It has little tiny pumpkins inside of it, and oh, it tastes like autumn. It tastes like fall to me. It just, the smell and everything about it, it just gives me all those like warm autumn feels. It is an amazing latte. I make it on its own, so sometimes I just drink it black with no milk, nothing, like no sweetener. And sometimes I make it as a latte. And basically what Davidstea says about pumpkin chai is this autumn treat has it all: cinnamon and cloves plus the sweetness of caramel and pumpkin candy. And then in here we have a lemon smash. So this one I believe is a sale. They're retiring it, a sale item, but I love lemon. And I love lemon flavored things. I love lemon flavored desserts, lemon flavored teas. And especially if you're sick this time of the year, I find a lemon tea is always something really nice to have as well. So I just got 50 grams and oh, it's so good. It's a fruit infusion as well. It may be all luscious lemon up front, but this fabulous zesty infusion has a secret: a surprising splash of sage. Doesn't sophistication taste smashing? So it has apple, sage leaves, blackberry leaves, a lemon, and natural lemon flavoring inside it. All right, so moving along, we have 2 tins. So we have those. And then, oh my god, I was like trying to remember what this last item was, but it's Cold 911. I ordered a bunch of Cold 911 sachets because I think these are on sale, or I can't exactly remember, but I was like, I need to stock up on Cold 911 because when I am sick, this is the only tea besides like a lemon flavored tea or a ginger tea that I want to drink. I love Cold 911. It has a nice peppermint tea flavor to it. And I don't know why, but when I'm sick, it just feels so good when I'm drinking it. So it has peppermint, apple, juniper berries, and it has eucalyptus and orange flavoring in it. When you really have a cold, it tastes so good. So I definitely recommend this. My other go-to though when I have a cold is like fresh ginger and fresh lemon and hot water. I find that like super helpful too. So if you have a cold and you're watching this video, go make that and then make some Cold 911. It's super cute right now because Ella is literally like sitting right here beside me and it's like, oh my goodness, you're too cute. All right, so we're moving on to the next box. Okay, so again, we have a little envelope and this will have our samples in it. So we have Sleigh Ride again. We have Candy Cane Crush and Midsummer Night's Dream. Okay, so much like the other one, we have the tissue and a little sticker that says Davidstea and a ton of bubble wrap. So as you can see, there's like a ton of bubble wrap. So I ordered a separate one of these for my parents because it's our tradition. And yes, it's the 24 days of tea. So if you follow me on Instagram, it's at fashionstoryteller, you will know that I literally love to share the tea of the day with you guys from this advent calendar. And I have so much fun counting down to Christmas with you guys. And I know last year quite a few of you got the calendar too. So we were able to like virtually enjoy tea together and like pick the tea of the day and like kind of share it with the Pandora or whatever jewelry we were wearing that day. And it was so much fun. I did do a blog post about why this calendar is so special to me. I've been doing this with my husband since 2012, and that's actually the year we moved really far away, like across the country from like really close friends and family. And this kind of keeps us close to them because I buy one for my parents and a lot of my friends back home do it too. And it's like we're having tea together and the same tea, even though we're like far away. During the holidays, we're so close at heart and there's just something really special about doing this. Plus, this has become a Christmas tradition with my husband, which I love. And then what's also really sweet, you guys know Harlow. She used to be my like, my tea assistant. She would be my little tea reviewer. She would Harlow approve the tea of the day. So she would let us know if she thought it was good or if she thought it was like not as good. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm really gonna miss opening the tea of the day with her. That was something I enjoyed so much. Anyway, let me just open this up. I'm pretty sure these are still available online. They launched online first, but they are going into store probably around the time I get to posting this video. They should have them in store. I remember though when these used to sell out like day of. Like I would go to the store like 10 minutes before it opened, I would go in, I would buy like a ton of these calendars for my friends and my family in case they didn't have time to go pick one up, because literally day up they would sell out. And it was like crazy. Okay, so basically this is what the calendar looks like, which is really neat. This is like a new kind of concept and oh my gosh, it's so adorable. Every year they change how these look. And I guess, I don't want to totally spoil it, these just pull out with the little tea. And I don't want to know what the tea is. Now last year it was cool because you could flip it around and it created a picture. I don't think it does that this year. And I'm not looking at this. Don't look if you don't want to spoil, but it has a little sachet in here that you pull out. And it seems a little bit more environmentally friendly because those are recyclable. And yeah, you just basically, you count down to Christmas with this. Now let's see what it says on the back. It's the most wonderful time of the year. Whip up some serious holiday magic with our jolliest tea countdown yet. It's filled with 24 warm and cozy loose leaf blends, plus extra surprises that spread cheer like no other. Our favorite part? There's a double portion of loose leaf tea behind every door, perfect for sharing the tea love. I don't want to spoil this for anyone that's getting this calendar, but it does list on the back, if you want to know ahead of time, what teas are inside. So I don't like to look, I really like to be surprised, but they do list right here on the back what the different teas are, the ingredients as well, so in case you do have an allergy, it will let you know. Also on the little sachets, they will tell you the temperature of what to brew the tea at, so you don't burn the leaves or anything like that. So this is so cool, you guys. Last year they had like a really cool spoon, which they had never done before. You got like a little scoop spoon to portion out your tea, and I thought that was so cool. So I'm curious to see if there's anything kind of like that in here for this year, but we'll just have to see. So that's the one big item I got. I will link my blog post down below if you want to hear a little bit more about like sharing Davidstea advent calendars through the years. I have pictures of like the first one I got in 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, and so on and so forth. So it's really fun to see some of the calendars and like kind of the evolution of the 24 days of tea. And then the last two items I got some more Matcha or Genmaicha. I'm probably really butchering that name, but I love this tea. I especially love having this with sushi. I think it tastes really good if you're like doing like order in sushi takeout. It's so good. I don't know why, it tastes amazing. I also just love it on its own. It's green tea, roasted rice, and matcha green tea inside. And they just say rice baby on it, which is cute. They retired this though, which I'm super sad about. I know Fairy Princess Alyssa, she also loves this tea, and I get so sad when Davidstea retires or discontinues teas that I love. So I'm really praying that they'll make this an online exclusive. They do that with some of their teas. So fingers crossed that this is one of the ones they will do that at some point for. And that's it for the haul. I am so excited to like try all these teas. I literally got this package today, and I'm like, I have to film a video because I really need to have some pumpkin chai like right now. So that's exactly what I'm going to be doing after this, is I'm going to be making a nice cup of pumpkin chai. I will let you guys know, I'll link everything down below. So if there's anything that you're like, ooh, I want to try that, and you're in Canada and the States, Davidstea will ship it to you. So I'll link everything down below. And then the last thing I wanted to mention to you guys is something that is, oh my goodness, it is like the biggest dream come true, and so many amazing things have been happening, and I owe a lot of those incredible amazing things to each and every one of you that follows me on my Instagram, on my blog, on my YouTube. Like, I wouldn't be able to have these opportunities without you guys, and I can never say thank you enough. And oh my goodness, so in recent weeks I had this amazing opportunity come up where I am, oh my gosh, I'm a Davidstea affiliate. It is just so surreal to me because, as you guys know, I love tea, I love Davidstea, and if you followed me from the beginning, I have always been drinking Davidstea in pretty much every video, give or take. To be able to kind of like share even more of my love with Davidstea with you guys is just insane. And if you don't know what a Davidstea affiliate is, basically it's kind of like I'm a sales associate. So if I mention like an item from Davidstea that you really like, I'll link it down below, but it's like an affiliated link, which means that I'll make a small amount of commission off whatever item you purchase. Well, so if you do want to use my affiliate links, thank you so much. Like, that is above and beyond, like, that's incredible. And no worries if you don't either, that's totally fine. I think everyone should just enjoy the tea love if you're a tea lover like me. Thank you, because I'm still kind of in just like pinching myself and like disbelief that I have this wonderful opportunity, and it's all because of you guys. So thank you so much. Anyway, that's it for the video. Ella, you're pretty sleepy, eh? And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.